down, let me tell you some words. My words will only get more absurd as we ramble and the prowl and the preaching to the kill, as we march and as we graze. We've all seen better days, and better days are washed away with the glister reminisce and the heap of things are might as well go back to eating grass, 'cause the grass is always greener when all you see is green, and the promise of the carrot will always keep us keen, with the stick to tan our eyes if we look to the skies and wonder, what's it like to be a distracted from our hearts. Cows weren't supposed to be this far. So the grass is always greener when all you see is green, and the promise of the carrot will always keep us keen. Stick to tan our eyes if we look to the skies and wonder, what's it like to be a bird? Oh, please God, I just want to be a bird. Someone help me, I just want to be a bird. Someone shoot me, I'm tired of this herd. Oh, please God, won't you help me be a bird, 'cause I'm too scared to fly alone.